What's up, money makers, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make 5,000 naira daily with your phone. So you guys had me right. I'm going to be walking you through on how to make 5,000 naira daily with your phone. So if this is the first time I've seen me right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I simply do right here on my channel is share with you tips and strategies to help you make money online. So if you're serious about making money online, if you're someone who's interested in making money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button right now, like this video, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So with that said and do right now, let's dive into the video. So what we are going to be basically doing right now in order to make this 5,000 naira is to resell data. We're going to be selling data right now to make a lot of profit, because people out there right now can't do data. There are billions of people who are buying data every single day, every single hour. So this is our chance right now to tap into this business to make a lot of money for ourselves. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys a cheaper website, a cheaper platform whereby you could literally buy data at a cheaper rate. Like you could buy almost 1 gig data for just 200 naira. So you guys had me right. So all you need right now is to click on the first link in the description right now. So once you click on the first link in the description, it's going to take you to this website right here. You can see this is the website we're going to be buying data for cheap right now. All you need right now is to create an account by putting in your first name, your username, your email address, your phone number. Put in a pin, that is the kind of pin that I'm going to be using to make transaction on this website. Then put in your password. Then once you're done with that, click on register. So once you click on register right now, it's going to take you into your account. So let me quickly show you how the account looks like. So once you already created an account for yourself, this is how your account is going to look like. So you're going to see your name right here. You're going to see your current balance right here. So you can see right here, I've really made a lot of purchase, to buy data on this website. So all you need right now in order to start selling this data is to come over to this menu bar right here. You're going to see a place where you could start buying data for cheap. So if I click on it right here and I click on buy data now, it's going to take me to the data option right here. So I'm going to select network right here. So I'm going to be buying an MTN network right here. So it's going to click on type right now. Just click on corporate gifting. So once you click on corporate gifting, you'll be asked to select the plans you want to buy. So there are various plans out there. You could decide to buy 1 gig. You could see right here, this is what I'm telling you guys, that you could literally buy 1 gig of data for just 225 naira, guys. This is literally cheap. You could even buy data of 2 gig for just 460 naira, and this data is going to last for 30 days. Like, this is really crazy. It is awesome. I've been using this data right now for quite a long time right now, and this website has been working so fine. So all you need right now in order to start selling the data right now is to create an account on this platform. So once you click an account on this platform right here, so you're going to tell the person that you want to buy the data from. So you just tell him to send you his phone number. Then the person could literally make a transfer to your account. So once the person make the transfer to your account, you just put the person's phone number right here. So once you put the person's phone number right here, then you could select plans the person want to buy. It could either be like 1 gig, 2 gig. So you could select the data plans right here. Then once you're done, just put in your pin right here. So on this website, you'll be asked to create a pin in order to complete your transaction. Just create a pin. So once you're done with that right here, just click on this purchase menu bar. So once you click on the purchase menu bar right here, the data is going to be sent to the person successfully, and also they're going to give you receipt. So in order to send to the person that bought the data from you. So that's how you could literally make 5,000 naira by just selling data online. All you need right now is to start posting this on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook account, your Facebook group. Tell them that they can literally buy data from you at a cheaper rate. So that is how you could literally use this method right now to make a lot of money for yourself. And also you could also consider like selling the data, selling data like for like 300 naira, then you're gonna make like 100 naira profit. So right now, let me do the maths for you guys. So guys, let's just assume you are able to get at least 50 people to buy data from you on daily basis, which is not hard to get 50 people to buy data from you, because a lot of people are buying data on a daily basis. So you could literally tell them that they could buy data from you. So once their data expire, they could just send you money, or they should give you cash, or they should send you money into your bank account, and then you could collect their phone number, and then you could send the data to them. So you could literally make 100 naira profit from each data you are going to be selling on this platform. So this is how you could literally make 5,000 naira by just simply selling data online. And also you could also decide to buy the data for yourself. If you also want to use the data for yourself, you can also buy it for yourself right here at a cheaper rate. All you need right now is to click on the first link in the description, and it's going to take you to the website. You just create an account, and then from there you can literally start selling data and making a lot of profits for yourself. So guys, I hope you guys have gotten any value from the video. If you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video right now, share this video to more people, to your friends, so that they're able to benefit from this video. So right now, a video is going to be popping right here on your screen, literally teaching you how to make money online. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in the video. So let's go. Have you clicked on the video? No. Come on, click on it, and let's go.